Hello, this is Luis at Classic Cars of Palm Beach, and this is a drive video, POV, of a 2005 Chevrolet SSR with 9,000 miles on it. 9,492 miles on this vehicle. I do have the AC going. We are in Florida. So we're going to take a nice little ride. I'm not gonna speak much on this video, just so you guys can hear the engine and how this truck shifts, acceleration, things like that. Here we go. No clunking noise from the suspension. This truck drives like a brand new truck. Go around this way and we'll pull out into traffic. Do a small acceleration. Nothing too crazy. Idle's perfect, no warning lights. I would turn on the radio, but I don't think they allow that on YouTube. This is a little acceleration video. Sounds very good. Feels good too. So when I'm pressing the brakes, as you can see on the steering wheel here, it doesn't shake. Drives nice and straight. This will be a very nice piece to have in someone's collection. Accelerate a little bit here. Engine sounds amazing. Brakes are nice and smooth. Let go of the steering wheel completely, and goes nice and straight. For a 2005, this truck drives amazing. I mean, no squeaks, no clunking sounds or strange shifting. I mean, you can cruise this wherever you'd like. We're going about 35 miles an hour right now. It's nice and quiet in here. Very nice truck. Let me try to get a better visual of the gauges here. I think that looks pretty good, right? Just accelerate a little bit. Like to see any more videos of this truck, something more specific, please let us know. Our phone number is 561-529-3101. Classic Cars of Palm Beach in Jupiter, Florida.